US dollar index this week has made a breakout to the upper side. What we can see here, there was a gap between the Monday and the Tuesday. So something important happened on the market where the price has made the bullish momentum and also bullish breakout to the upper side about 102.85. This means something has happened on the market because the bulls have made a gap and the price did not return back down to close this gap, which means a pretty strong bullish momentum, and also there were no sellers pushing the price down. The price has stopped at a smaller resistance level, which is around 103.50 price level, and it is in between a stronger support and resistance levels between 104.22 and 102.85. So the price is in between, and also its price was formed this bearish pin bar right here around this price level, and the price has stopped here like indecision small range area. On the weekly time frame, we can see that after the price has made the previous week as an indecision week, this week the price started as a bullish one and closed with a bullish candle. The price did not reach any strong levels like 104.22 and on the lower side 101.37, which is the weekly time frame support and resistance levels. But what we can see, the price continued to reach higher price levels and this week has closed as bullish candle. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price has bouncing from 101.37, which was expected also on the monthly time frame that the price will bounce back up and reach around this one, which is 103.57. We can see this is a small confluence of support and resistance levels on the monthly time frame. So for now, as it looks, we can see that very important level for the price will be this one here, 103.50, between 103.44 and the lower side 103.27. This is some kind of a confluence between the buyers and the sellers on the monthly time frame, and it will be very important to see how this month ends. We have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so everything's still open. It is the best to see how this looks on the weekly and also daily time frame. But very important levels for the monthly time frame is this one here, which is 104.20 on the upper side, and on the lower side is 101.37. On the weekly time frame, these are the levels that are also very important. It is 104.22 and on the lower side is 102.36. So these are very critical levels on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see much more clearly how this looks. So on the lower side, we can see 102.85. This is currently acting as a demand zone, will hold the price not reaching the lower levels. And on the upper side, we can see 104.22 is a very strong supply zone where the sellers are waiting. So after this bullish breakout has happened, also I'm expecting that the price returns back down. This was also what I have shared inside the trading community. After the breakout happens, I was expecting that the price will return back down, and also the price has returned back down a little bit with this small wick around 103.08. After the price has reached this area, I'm expecting also for the price to reach again lower side, which means around 102.85, just to confirm this bullish breakout is a valid one and not going down. But for now, what I can say, this bullish breakout has been confirmed with the next candle that did not close below this one support level. So for the next week, what I'm expecting is this. I'm also expecting the price returns around 102.85, and then I will see what happens around this support level. Will the price find enough strength to make a break to the downside, breaking below this demand zone and also below 102.67, which is our lower side, and also a very important level. If the price goes down, then the next one, 102.05, is the next target for the sellers. But if the price goes above 103.50, which is a small resistance level here on the daily time frame, then we could expect the price to reach the start of this supply zone, which is 104.00. If anything happens, like some kind of a breakout to the downside or also price reaching here, I will check it daily and also make the analysis if that happens. I will also mention what could be the next target and also what I'm expecting the next day and also next day and also during the week, what could happen on the market based on the candles that have been formed on the market. So if you would like to check that analysis daily, You can join also trading community. The link will be below the video in description. So see you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.